Hello there, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is never mix these skincare components regardless. When selecting new skincare products, it's critical to understand which ones will blend and layer nicely. It may be difficult to determine which products complement each other the best based on your skin type, and you may have to experiment. Here, we help you through your new skincare routine by providing a list of skincare items that should never be used together. 1. Water and oil. The most apparent combination we know does not mix is oil and water. Because oil repels water, if you layer a water-based product over an oil-based product, such as a balm, a film will form on your skin, preventing the water from absorbing. If you must use both of these products, place the oily one over the water-based one. However, in general, use water-based treatments and serums together. 2. Vitamin C and retinol. Because they are both active substances, retinol and vitamin C should not be taken together. Retinol promotes collagen formation, but it also stimulates skin cell turnover, thus combining it with an acid like vitamin C may cause irritation. Use a retinol at night and vitamin C throughout the day instead. Retinol works best when combined with hydrating substances like as hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and SPF. 3. Vitamin C, as well as AHAs and BHAs, glycolic, salicylic, and lactic acids, as well as other AHAs and BHAs, should never be used with vitamin C because vitamin C is also acid and is unstable. Stacking both chemicals together will throw off the pH equilibrium and may as well be worthless. 4. Retinol, AHAs, and BHAs. Because the main goal of AHAs and BHAs is to exfoliate, which retinol already accomplishes successfully. Combining retinol with these acids is a formula for disaster, leaving your skin dry and irritated. AHAs and BHAs should be used with moisturizing compounds and SPF. 5. Niacinamide, as well as AHAs and BHAs. Niacinamide has no impact when combined with AHAs and BHAs and can potentially induce redness. Because niacinamide has a pH of approximately 5 to 7, it has the potential to elevate the lower pH of the acids, which is around 3 to 4, and so nullify their capabilities. Both substances, when used independently, can improve skin texture, acne, and the indications of aging, therefore we recommend that you continue to use them. 6. Benzoyl peroxide with retinol. Because benzoyl peroxide and retinol inhibit each other, they should never be taken together. 7. Salicylic acid with glycolic acid. These two chemicals should never be used together since they both exfoliate dead skin cells and can cause a lot of irritation and damage to your skin barrier. Use one, followed by a moisturizing product. If you enjoy watching my videos, please show your appreciation by subscribing to the channel. Also, remember to click the bell icon to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you for visiting the channel as well as stay tuned.